Hey, so I don't know about you guys, but I am not the most patient person in the world. So I can't imagine, it's been a lot of years since I bought my kit, but I can't imagine going online and buying my kit and then waiting for it to show up. That would make me crazy. So I'm going to assume that at least some of you are a lot like me, and that makes you a little crazy too. So I'm going to give you a few things that you can do while you're waiting for your kit that will help you get your business up and running, okay? The first thing is, even while you wait for your kit, once it's been purchased, your online store is up and running. So you can start telling people about that, posting it on your social media, sending people there to buy. You can start selling right away from your online store. The other thing you can do is you can go to your online store, register as your own customer, and that way you're going to get the same emails that your customer gets. You're going to learn about products and what's coming out. It's going to give you all kinds of insight. So go on your online store. If you don't know what your URL is, you can log into your avon.com and go to web office, and it's right there for you. Okay, it's going to tell you exactly what your URL is. It's going to be youravon.com / probably your name. Mine is Stacey Mitchell. It might be a first initial in your last name, but it's going to be something recognizable. If you want to change that URL, you can. And I would recommend doing that right away if you intend to change it, and then leave it alone. Because once you start letting people know what your website address is, you want to keep it the same so that they don't have to go hunting for you. You don't want to change it on them constantly, okay? So if you're going to change the URL, do it right away. You can do that through the web office. Should be pretty easy, but if you have questions, contact me. And then start blasting it everywhere. Let everybody know your online store is up and running and they can buy their Skin So Soft right now. Okay, and do some studying. Check the product reviews. Find something you've never heard of that you didn't realize Avon sold and learn about it. Okay, so that's the first thing. Your online store. Use it, use it, use it. The second thing is find me on Facebook or any social media, because I'll friend you on everything, but particularly Facebook, because we have a group specifically for our team. It's called Stars. It is a secret group. You're not going to find it unless you're on my team and I invite you. So you have to be friends with me so that I can invite you. So come friend me. I promise I don't put anything naughty on. You'll be okay. Become my Facebook friend, and then I will immediately add you to our Stars group. In our Stars group, that's a great place to ask questions. It's a great place to just have a sense of community, to get ideas. We do a lot of training on there. So you don't want to miss out on that. Also, I have a Kickstarters group, and that is for those of you in your first 7 campaigns. So I will add you to that as well as soon as I find you on Facebook. Okay, so find me on social media. You're welcome to find me on other social media as well. You're welcome to use anything that you see that I post. My recommendation is to save it to your device. Like if you see a picture or something you want to use, save it to your device and then repost it. Otherwise, it's going to connect somebody to me. I want you to get the customers from that. But you're welcome to use anything that I post. You're welcome to use my ideas and make them your own. Okay? Social media. Find me. Really important. Okay? Super important. Find me. The next thing is the daily care bundle. So I'm going to share my screen really quick, and I'm going to show you, this is going to come in your kit. Come on, work with me. There we go. Okay, this is going to come in your kit, this flyer. You can make lots of copies of it. I'm also going to send you it right away. So if you're in my direct first generation, you may already have this. Look at how I light it up. I'll send you a PDF. I'll send you a hard copy. I will send you a JPEG also, so you can post it on social media. You can print them off. But this deal is amazing. This deal is only for those of you in your first 7 campaigns. So I can't sell this, okay? I wish I could. I would sell a ton of these because this is a steal. Look at all this. Let's just take a look at this for a quick minute. This daily care collection has 7 products, all 7 for $19.99. It's a $65 value. You get 2 Skin So Soft shower gels. You get a Skin So Soft original body oil or bath oil. You get another bath oil in the spray bottle, which I like to refill those, just saying, buy the big one, better value, refill my spray bottle, just a little side note. You get a Skin So Soft Original Body Lotion. You also get Moisture Therapy Intensive Healing and Repair Hand Cream and Body Wash. These are some of our best body care products. They're good for men or women. They are phenomenal for keeping your skin nice and soft and moist through, especially through, I don't know, I live in Michigan. My skin gets dry if I don't have my Skin So Soft or my Moisture Therapy. I love them all. So these are really great products. But you get every single one of these things for $19.99. You can sell this to your customers for the first 7 campaigns. This gives them a chance to try some of our best products at a very reasonable price and get them hooked. Okay, so I highly recommend taking this, filling it out, hanging it everywhere, passing it to your customers, posting it on your social media, etc. Okay, that is something you can start selling those right away. And I always have a little bonus going for anyone who sells 13 in their first or second campaign. So I am also going to share this again. Actually, no, I'm not. I'm just going to tell you, if you go into youravon.com, up in the upper left-hand corner, it says Avon U training. Click on that and start your training through Avon U. That's going to help you learn how to place your orders. It's going to help you learn all kinds of things about Avon that you didn't know you needed to know. So you can do all that stuff while you're waiting for your kit, and you can get your business off to a really great start. Have a great day.